Hey guys! So today I'll be sharing with you the process behind the lettering mural that I did for Boulder Movement. It's a gym that I frequent to. It really helped me overcome my anxiety of climbing and my fear of falling to some extent. So I wanted to give back to them and give them a bit of inspiration. I wanted to create a mural for them in time for their anniversary, which was last week or 2 weeks back, and I'm glad that they really love it. I'll be sharing more of my process in this video, so stay tuned. Thanks for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed the process behind the lettering mural I did for Boulder Movement. So for more videos like this, be sure to like, share, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. See you next time.